We already did mention that an Agile team is self-organizing. Then you may ask, how do I manage the team? Well, the Scrum Master is a facilitator for the processes and a coach on the Agile framework. As a Scrum Master, you will be tracking the progress, observing the team, and helping with coaching on performance. You'll be helping resolve the conflicts if they arise. Scrum Master also provides a frequent feedback to the team and helps with retrospectives and lessons learned. When the Scrum Master conducts performance review, he or she does not focus on an individual's performance, but rather on the team's performance. The Scrum Master helps team focus on mutual accountability. In addition, the Scrum Master conducts frequent one-on-ones and gives feedback to each team member individually. Forming, storming, norming, and performing model of group development was first proposed by Bruce Tuckman in 1965, who said that these phases are all necessary and inevitable in order for a team to form, face up to challenges, tackle problems, find solutions, plan work, and deliver results. In 1977, Tuckman added a fifth stage called adjourning. It doesn't really rhyme, but now we have the model of team formation called forming, storming, norming, performing, and adjourning. The initial forming stage is the process of putting the structure of the team together. Team members feel ambiguous and conflict is avoided at all costs due to the need to be accepted into the group. Team members look to a group leader for direction and guidance. In the storming stage, people start to push against the established boundaries. Conflict or friction can also arise between team members as their true characters and their preferred ways of working surface and clash with other people. At this stage, the team members may challenge your authority or management style, or even the team's mission. Left unchecked, this can lead to face-to-face confrontations or simmering and online tensions. If roles and responsibilities aren't yet clear, individuals might begin to feel overwhelmed by their workload or frustrated at a lack of progress. During the norming stage, people start to notice and appreciate their team members' strengths. Groups start to settle into a groove. Everyone is contributing and working as a cohesive unit. Of course, you may still think that your tech guy's choice of music is obnoxious, but you also have to admire their knowledge of web design and coding and skills and value their opinions on anything tech-related. Storming sometimes overlaps with norming. As new tasks arise, groups may yet still experience a few conflicts. If you've already dealt with a disagreement before, it will probably be easier to address this time around. In the performing phase, the team begins to excel. Having put the needs of the group ahead of personal needs, the team begins to focus on a shared goal and find ways to solve any problems that come up. Typically, this means that the structure of the team is fixed, but the roles of each member are flexible. And adjourning is the phase at the end of the project. It's that time in the project where you would say goodbye to each other. It's also good to celebrate the successful completion of the project. A Scrum Master job is helping to grow a high-performance team, and here's how they can contribute to the team's success. By understanding the team vision and help to live it. Focus on objectives and delivering results. Team and trust building. Coaching and developing team members. Create a positive environment. Help customers with understanding the Agile framework. Provide team with necessary resources. Remove roadblocks and impediments. We mentioned the team and trust building. It may be difficult to build a team as conflicts may arise. The team may not understand their role and purpose. The absence of trust will lead to poor performance. Trust is the confidence that they can voice their concerns without fear, and that their peers and management intentions are good, and that there is no reason to be protective around their teammates and leadership. Trust helps the team be creative, generate ideas, and brainstorm without being afraid of being ridiculed. Trust also helps build confidence, and knowing that if you fail, the team will help you and will learn from your mistakes rather than being blamed and punished. To reduce conflicts within the team, you may adapt engagement rules. Ideally, the team comes up with the rules, and the Scrum Master facilitates the rules. Here's a few examples. Attack the issue, not the person. Everyone has an equal voice. Keeping privacy within the team. Everyone has to participate. respect each other, and accept the differences for the team's success. As Scrum Master, you must not get trapped into thinking you're the parent of children. Remember that the values that these team members all committed to. As Scrum Master, you make observations and allow the team to implement their values and hold each other accountable. Participatory decision-making is a leadership style where the group is making decisions collectively. This could lead to finding win-win solutions to any conflicts more often than not. Participatory decision-making is important where a large number of stakeholders are involved from different walks of life, coming together to make a decision that may benefit everyone. Decision framing focuses on who gets involved in the decision process. A few useful questions to ask when framing decisions are: what is the decision impact and who is impacted? Who are the stakeholders and who needs to provide input? What are the constraints? Who should review or approve the decision? In conclusion, Agile teams are a cross-functional group of people and self-organizing, and preferably co-located. Agile is a value-driven framework, and the role of an Agile leader is to help the team deliver value.